Many people desire success as if it were magic, believing that minimal effort will lead to achieving their dreams. However, this is the opposite of reality. In real life, nothing comes easy. We all face various challenges because this is the right process. You are one decision away from greatness, and the first step you should take is to eliminate all your addiction. Many of us find themselves trapped by bad habits, like excessive gaming, pornography, or substance abuse. The worst part is that they often deny their addiction, rationalizing it with excuses, like faffing is healthy or video games improve concentration and teamwork. This self-deception only deepens the problem. The best approach to overcoming addiction begins with brutal honesty. Acknowledging your weaknesses is crucial as you can't tackle what you refuse to admit. Perhaps you've already tried quitting, but keep relapsing, frustrated by advice that sounds good but doesn't work. This guide will provide 6 effective strategies to quit any addiction for good. First, develop strong aversion. Most advice on breaking addictions suggests avoidance or distraction, but these methods often fail. The first step is to develop a deep hatred for your addiction. Strong emotions like hatred can be powerful tools when channeled correctly. Think about the negative consequences of your addiction and write them down. How it wastes your time, drains your energy, and harms your mental and physical health. By linking these dark truths to your addiction, you train your subconscious mind to reject it. However, hatred alone isn't enough. You must also address the root emotional causes of your addiction, such as loneliness or sadness. Second, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you become aware of your thoughts, emotions, and triggers without judgment. Instead of reacting impulsively to cravings or negative emotions, mindfulness teaches you to pause, observe, and respond with intention. Spend time daily practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. These practices improve self-awareness and emotional regulation, making it easier to resist temptations and understand the deeper reasons behind your addiction. By staying present and grounded, you gain control over impulses and strengthen your ability to make healthier choices. Third, identify your true purpose. A lack of purpose often leads to destructive behaviors. When a man has a clear purpose, he's far less likely to waste time on harmful habits. Imagine someone like Mark Zuckerberg or a boxer indulging in addiction. They simply don't have the time or energy for it. Finding your purpose might take time, but it's one of the most powerful tools for overcoming addiction. It provides a long-term vision that outweighs temporary pleasures. Fourth, replace the habit. One of the most effective ways to overcome addiction is to replace it with a positive habit. Instead of simply removing the addiction, fill the void with something meaningful or productive. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, take up a physical activity like running or yoga. If you're breaking a social media habit, focus on reading or learning a new skill. A replacement habit redirects your energy and provides the same sense of fulfillment or distraction without the negative consequences. Over time, the positive habit will become a natural part of your routine, making it easier to leave the addiction behind. Fifth, practice doing nothing. Many addictions stem from an inability to cope with boredom. Learning to sit and do nothing, not scrolling on your phone or engaging in distractions, can help rewire your brain. Purposefully embracing stillness can reduce anxiety, spark creativity, and improve productivity. Over time, this practice will make you less dependent on unhealthy habits to fill the void. Sixth, build a support system. Addiction thrives in isolation, so surround yourself with people who encourage and support your goals. Share your struggles with trusted friends, family, or a support group to stay accountable. Having someone to check in with can provide motivation and guidance. Seek role models who inspire you to stay on track and remind you that you're not alone in this journey. Remember, you don't have to face addiction alone. Leaning on others is a sign of strength, not weakness. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Success wasn't the money or the applause. It was the strength to believe in yourself again. Overcoming your addiction wasn't the end of the journey. It was the beginning. If you really want to change your life, I recommend you watch this video on the left. The choice is yours.